Awesome, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Do you recognize Alec Benjamin, that name? I believe so. And Deniro? I believe so too. That's the new song from Alec Benjamin called Deniro. So, cool song here. A little mix of some easy licks and some easy strumming. So that's great. Let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. 5 chords, and let's go over these chords first. So we have D. All right, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, then we have G. So that is third on A, E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is A7. So pretty similar to A. It is open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. All right. So there we have it. Okay. So it will start with this very easy pattern. The D, E minor, and A7. It's based upon these 3 chords. And it sounds like this. So the D part is like this. Alright, so that is open D, third B, second G, and back to third B. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So that is 1 round. So 4 rounds makes . Then we switch to the E minor, and that part is like this. That's 1 round. And that is open E in the bass, then open G, second D, and back to open G. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so that will be . And then we have finally the A7 part, and that will sound like this. Alright, so that is open A, second B, open G, and back to second B. That is 1 round. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. So, to summarize this, first verse, we have the D, you're going to play that for 4 rounds, E minor for 2 rounds, and A7 for 2 rounds. If you look at this as 1 chord progression, D, E minor, A7, you will play that for 2 rounds. I'm going to give you 1 round of that right now. So let's go. 2 rounds of that, and you are ready for the next part, and that is the chorus. So this one will be with the chord progression E minor, G, D, and A. Okay, we need to look at the strumming pattern, and we have the E minor as the first chord. So grab that E minor. 1 round of the strumming will be like this. All right, so that is down, and then a short break there, pause. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. So slowly it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. It will play one strumming round per chord. So 1 E minor, 1 G, 1 D, 1 A. One chord progression with this will sound like this. That was a slower version. In standard, it sounds something like this. So that was 4 rounds, and that is actually what you're gonna play for the chorus. There is one extra kind of post-chorus round as well, or an instrumental part, or whatever you're gonna call it. So with this, it will be 5 rounds in total of this strumming with this chord progression. So that's the chorus. That takes us to the second verse. Now we have the same chord progression as in the first verse. We have the D, the E minor, and the A7. Now you will play that with the strumming, okay? So you're gonna play that with the same amount of strumming rounds as you played this medley. So that will be 4 rounds of D, then 2 E minor, and 2 A7. That is the second verse with the same strumming you played for the chorus. That takes us to the second chorus, and that is played in the exact same way as the first one, so nothing new there. 5 rounds in total with this instrumental part. And after the second chorus comes a breakdown there, as a bridge. And in the lyrics, it's if I'm not the hero, if I'm not the lead, if I'm not Deniro, then I'll be the hero, and so on. Yeah, flirting with words there. Fun. Yeah, we have the chord progression E minor, G, D, and A, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Now this is based upon lick or melody, we can call, and it sounds like this. So that was 2 rounds. And a different ending there in this last chord in the second round. So the E minor part will be very easy. It will be like this. So what you basically do there, you alternate the open E string in the bass with the open G, and you do that for 3 rounds. So that will be 3 rounds in total, and you will have this rhythm going on through the entire melody part here in this bridge part. So that's the E minor part. Then we have the G part. You play the same, but now you have the bass note 3rd fret on the E string in the bass, and you alternate that still with the open G. So that's the G part, and then we have the D part. It sounds like this. So that will be 5th on A, then 4th on D, then 5th on A, then 5th on D, and then 5th on A, and you go back to 4th on D. So slow little B. And then we have the final part here in this A, and that part sounds like this. So now you're alternating the open A with the second D. You do that for 3 rounds as well. So then you're gonna play this for a second round. You're gonna play the exact same way all the way till the end. So that means E minor, G, and when you come to this final chord A, you're just gonna play 1 round. So that means open A and second D. And after this, you have a short break. That takes us and builds up for the final chorus. Okay, so that was the bridge, 2 rounds of E minor, G, D, and A. Then we have, like I said, the final chorus, and that is about 4 rounds with this 5th additional kind of instrumental part. So play in the same way as the previous choruses, and that will cover Alec Benjamin's Deniro. So I like these songs. We have this pretty basic, easy strumming pattern with the chords, but also mix it up with some notes and melodies. So that's a great mix there. So good luck with Deniro, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Leave a comment if you like this, and yeah, play tuned.